Don't hurry. We're hurry.
We're late for the bus to go into the ferry to go to the island. Come on, babe.
Don't be rude, it's hard. You see. There you go. Did you do the code again? It's good. No. Oh, we got reinforcements. It's not really closed, no one telling anyone.
Yes, closed.
It's very closed.
Go to the boat, midnight.
Go to the boat, okay. How's it coming? Good. I taught Tyler something new today. What'd you teach him?
This little band is, you know, so you don't have to like hold on to the...
Yeah, learning in Milos.
Hi Dad, thanks for teaching me that.
Alright, it's about a 5-minute walk to our hotel. Booked it super close. Let's do this.
I think it's this way.
What are y'all thinking so far? First impressions?
Coffee.
I like it.
And
Coffee for first impression.
Do you know how much the scooters cost?
About 20 euro.
A day? Per day?
17.
Okay.
Something like this.
Okay.
More.
There are a couple cool spots in the north. Specifically, I really like this one. That is right here. That's the most famous beach in Milos, which is right here.
Thank you, Leanna. Thank you. Because I didn't press the record button when he was talking.
Going to get our scooters to go to the beach. They're actually really cheap for the day, not too bad, like 13 euros. We got our international driver's license, which you do need for here.
50 million questions later, we have decided to rent quads because we cannot rent scooters. No, our international driver's license does not allow us to rent scooters, but we can rent quads for off-road vehicles. Can't think of the right word right now. We're also getting our ferry tickets done right now, so we're feeling pretty good. We have really nice people helping us out. Yes? Woohoo! Riva Travel. They're nice guys.
That is what living in Chicago for you.
Oh, pink helmets. Oh, this matches my outfit.
Somebody help me now.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Let's go. I like my outfit. You look beautiful. This could not be more perfect. Oh, we pulled over, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes.
Because why? Victory!
This looks pretty bomb.
This looks pretty beautiful.
A little cave.
I think we can definitely ride our ATVs down there.
So we are going to ride to the ends of the North Peninsula. See as far as we can get, see what's there, and then come back, determining our decision.
To this dope little cove cave area.
I think there's gonna be a couple, but this one is impressive.
So this is dope number 1. Right now, we're gonna go see dope number 4, 5, 6, and so on.
But we will come back to number 1 eventually.
Yep.
Going to the end. They're teaching me what house music is.
Oh, God. She's got a big butt.
I got a big booty.
Yeah. Broke my back.
been such a long day.
All we had was a pastry and 2 coffees.
Yeah.
Regretful. Just sat down for dinner. We got free things with this dinner. Alcoholic beverages called
Usho.
good job. And beans
Lava beans.
with our free bread. Oh, shoot.
Whoa.
Flavor. It's like minty and something.
It's like a candy, licorice.
It's like licorice.
Licorice.
Exactly like that.
Licorice, vodka, but sweet and smooth.
Yeah.
This view we got here is just beautiful.
Yes, the view.
I really can't get enough of it.
Yeah, it is really something.
You guys ready?
Our bike makes some noise when we do this. Can you hear it? Yeah? Okay. Yeah, we just look very inappropriate. Got it. Alright.
Get out of here. Guys, are you super excited about this?
Yes.
Are you so pumped up?
Here,
What are you doing?
look at this.
What?
I'm just trying to climb, but now I'm distracted. Come look at this.
Whoa.
This is one of those best feelings ever.
Look, I'm leaving a footprint.
See, like when I land on something, it just goes like this.
Real life rock climbing.
Alright.
You think they can hold our weight?
Your mark in a distant past, but somehow
The rain is coming. The rain is definitely coming.
Trying to avoid it right now. We gotta put our electronics and everything away. I think it will be.
Explore in the rain.
Didn't get to take any pictures.
We'll definitely be coming back.
Rain dance, go! Help Leanna do the dance. Tell us to go away. Birds, please help Leanna do the dance. Go away, go away.
through your life, you've been well to do. Times have changed and rearranged. Now no one remembers you. You got there for the good time, and you spent your change. Daddy won't mind.
Tyler,
Who forgot to take their helmets off? Babe, you look great. Just,
yeah, okay, I've never looked so stupid in my entire life.
can you turn around so I can examine you?
Please don't get too close. It's dangerous. It's big.